हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ मेरे टॉप 10 मार्शमेलो फ्रेग्रेंसेस के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ। मार्शमेलो इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट परफ्यूम नोट्स टू वेयर। इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ fragrance note that brings in a little bit of sweetness, powderiness, a pink color feel in a fragrance, a bit of that toasted nuttiness as well. So I absolutely adore नोट इन माई फ्रेग्रेंसेस। और आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके पास 10 परफ्यूम ऑप्शंस लेके आ रही हूँ जिसमें मार्शमेलो काफी डोमिनेटिंग नोट की तरह काम कर रहा है विद ऑल द अदर नोट्स मिक्स्ड टुगेदर। सो आई होप दैट यू विल एंजॉय वॉचिंग दिस लिस्ट एंड लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो। बिफोर वी डू सो मेक श्योर कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, यू हिट द बेल नोटिफिकेशन एंड यू फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। एंड नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ऑलवेज एक ऑनरेबल मेंशन तो बनता ही है एंड दिस वन इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड सो यूनिक। ये एक फ्रेग्रेंस मिस्ट है। मैं बाकी के जितने भी ऑप्शंस आपको दिखाऊंगी वो सब परफ्यूम्स होंगे। ये एक लौता मिस्ट ऑप्शन है जो मेरे पास विच इज वेरी हैवी ऑन मार्शमेलोज। दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एज वेनिला कैंडी एंड दिस वन हैज शुगर एंड मार्शमेलो एंड वेनिला एज वन ऑफ द मेन नोट्स। नाउ यू कैन सी द डेंट दैट आई हैव गिवन। आधा बॉटल मैं खत्म कर चुकी हूँ एंड दिस इज दैट वन फ्रेग्रेंस मिस्ट दैट आई लेयर विथ all of the 10 fragrances that I'm showing you. तो जब भी मुझे इनमें से कोई भी मार्शमेलो बेस्ड परफ्यूम लगाना होता है I simply layer it with this. इसको लगा के इसके ऊपर मैं परफ्यूम्स लेयर करती हूँ. So that's how I kind of like layer my perfumes. This one from So Unique was an honorable mention and now I will share my top 10 fragrances. And number 10 is Kissa Delicious from the house is a whipped cream. Now this one has a whipped cream, marshmallows, some orange zest, chocolate and coconut and musk and lots of goodness. Basically marshmallow mixing up with chocolate and orange zest की तरह feel होता है. It has that Cadbury dark chocolate orange zest का feel in it. This one has this very nice kind of like a orange Cadbury creamy marshmallow ooey gooey goodness to it, but it is not like a very heavy thick or syrupy kind of a fragrance. It is very light airy breezy kind of a sweet fragrance which goes really well on summer days as well. So ये डे टाइम वेयर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है एंड इसमें एक काइंड ऑफ बैलेंस है स्वीटनेस एंड थोड़े से फ्लोरल एलिमेंट्स का भी। ओवरऑल किसा डिलीशियस काफी गॉर्जियस फ्रेग्रेंस है, बस इसका परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा हल्का है। ये काइंड ऑफ एक ऐसा फ्रेग्रेंस है जो लेयरिंग कॉम्बिनेशन में बहुत अच्छे से काम करता है क्योंकि ये उतना डोमिनेटिंग नहीं है। ये काफी सटल एरी और लाइट गुरमॉन्ड है इन माई ओपिनियन। सो इसका जो प्रोजेक्शन एंड परफॉर्मेंस है वो थोड़ा सा लाइट है, गिव्स मी अराउंड 2-3 आवर्स ऑफ लॉन्जेविटी एंड द प्रोजेक्शन एंड सियाज इज माइल्ड। सो इफ यू आर समवन हु लव स्वीट फ्रेग्रेंसेस बट आपको हेडेक होता है स्वीट फ्रेग्रेंसेस लगाकर, आपको कुछ लाइट और एरी चाहिए, तो आपके लिए ये एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है विच हैज मार्शमेलोज इन इट. Next one is from Nude Fragrances. Now Nude Perfumes is an Indian brand. They are like an Indian niche perfume house and this perfume is called as Lady Sunshine. This one again opens up with a very gorgeous note of orange creaminess and immediately mixing up with that powdery pinkness of marshmallow candy, mixing up with some coconut and then everything is kind of like wrapped together with some sandalwood and musk. Literally this DNA literally feels like wearing Baccarat Rouge but with a twist of marshmallow candies and of creamy orange. So it's like a fruity marshmallow kick to the Baccarat Rouge 540 DNA of this fragrance so much. This is very elegant, very feminine, very put together and a wonderful daytime wear kind of a fragrance. Good for casual wear as well as for office and it is something that gives a beautiful wisp throughout the day. I love this fragrance from Nude Perfumes and this is one of the best feminine and elegant fragrances in the marshmallow category. I think if you are looking for a very balanced fragrance and which is very inexpensive, because this one you can get it around 1100, so and you can find it at some discount at nude.co.in, so definitely go and opt on this one. Our number 8 is from this brand of Police and this one is called as To Be Tattoo Art. Now I am just left with इतना juice in this. मैं पूरा ही परफ्यूम खत्म कर चुकी हूँ। ये दिस इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट डेलिकेट पाउडरी फ्रेग्रेंसेस टू वेयर वेन एवर आई वॉन्ट टू हैव दैट kind of that innocent baby vibe going on. baby powder vibe going on. I kind of prefer this fragrance. It's very feminine, delicate, kind of has this very innocent baby powder feel underlying to it. Has very interesting notes breakdown like maple sap, apple blossom, mixing up with some jasmine, some rose. Heliotrope is super strong in this one, and then it has this powderiness and sweetness of marshmallows meeting up with some woodiness. This is such a wholesome fragrance, and it is, and literally if you like baby powder kind of fragrances, this one is the only one to go for, because this is the most innocent baby powder vibe. I'm almost over with this fragrance and I do want to repurchase it. It's just that I don't like the bottle. Like, I would just prefer a simple bottle which is more user friendly in my opinion. This takes up a lot of space, and I have currently around 250 to 280 fragrances in my collection, and I do have space crunch at this point of time, so this kind of a bottle is a no-go for, but I love this fragrance. Number 7 is undoubtedly Care Confection. Now from here onwards the list gets a little complicated because I have literally every fragrance I want to call as my favorite. Okay, so it's very difficult to put like 7, 6, 5, 4 now, so I'm just going with the flow, but absolutely love this one. This is very strong with the cooked pear note meeting up with some whipped cream, oral notes meeting marshmallow, some cedar wood, and some sweetness of vanilla. So this one is like a fruity cake meeting floral, and then you have the goodness of marshmallow. This one is a performer. It literally projects the whole day and creates a very strong scent bubble around me, has a very strong projection, and this is something which is like almost a banger in my opinion. This is so good, and you can see the dent that I've given, like that says a lot. I have like 300 fragrances, but the dent here is crazy. I love this fragrance, and if you are looking for a fruitier kind of like marshmallow take on a fragrance, fruity plus floral actually, then you should definitely get this one. On number 6 is Forbidden Sugar. Now this one is a very scent to explain, and in fact that is one of the reasons that I've not done a full length review on this particular fragrance, because I keep testing and trying it, and every time I have a different opinion about it. It has and tons of notes which I'm going to leave it on the screen, but the main notes that I get from here are marshmallows, coconut, orange blossom, raspberry, and some vanilla and caramel. These are the main notes that I pick up, like my nose primarily picks up. This is a very challenging fragrance in my opinion. It's not for everyone. This is like a good marshmallow fragrance that you would wear on a date night, you know. This is strong, it's projective, it lasts the whole day. And I think it is quite sexy enough to be worn during evening and nighttime, and for special occasions like dinner dates and stuff like that. So this is kind of a dark marshmallow fragrance is what I want to say. Despite it has powderiness and all of that, but everything mixed together kind of gives you that impression of having a dark marshmallow fragrance in here. So this one is at number 6. This one is Forbidden Sugar. On number 5 is Ansam Gold from the house of Lattafa. This is from their Pride collection. Now in the notes breakdown, you will not find a marshmallow note present in the notes breakdown, but to my nose I get a very prominent marshmallow note in here, and I don't know how that has happened, but it does. One is like blossom meets lots and lots of marshmallow and some metallic hints to it. The metallicness in this fragrance is very prominent on my skin and clothes, and that's what makes it very unique. This is a potent fragrance, goes for hours and hours. The longevity is crazy, projection and sillage is loud, and all in all it's a complete paisa vasool fragrance in my opinion. The only challenge is the metallic note that you get in here. So along with that powderiness and sweetness of marshmallow mixing up with orange blossom, definitely get a very thick metallic undertone to it. It's not for everyone, it is not a safe blind buy, but it kind of stands out like a very different, a very unique marshmallow note, like marshmallow meeting metallic notes. Like what? That is like so unique. So this stands at number 5. Again, this is where things get more interesting, because at number 4 we have Khadlaj Cloud Candy. Now Khadlaj Cloud Candy is again your whipped cream meeting some strawberry, some freesia, some floral nuances, and then meeting up with a lot of marshmallow. It's like marshmallow meeting vanilla, sugar, raspberries, so many things going on. Ultimately kind of has like marshmallows being melted, and the strawberry and raspberry, you are dipping it in that marshmallow and eating it. It just has that kind of an impression to it. Cloud Candy by Khadlaj is again a good performer. On my skin and clothes, it kind of gives me around 6 hours. Just let it macerate. If your bottle is new and it's not performing, just spray it in the air and let it macerate, and then you will see that it is a good performer. So this one is Cloud Candy from the house of Khadlaj, sitting at number 4. On number 3, I have Chow from Riffs. Now, this one is a dupe to Love Don't Be Shy. And what a dupe it is. This one is kind of like fruity, floral, musky, sweet, and marshmallow is playing a major role in this fragrance along with all of the other notes that are present. And the orange blossom and the floral nuances, it is quite advanced in this fragrance, and you know, the sweetness that it has brings in a lot of warmth in this perfume. The hints of iris and honeysuckle in this fragrance does bring in a bit of that cosmetic makeup-y vibe also, which I seem to love the most. It kind of is a very powdery fragrance also in the dry down, and that's exactly what I love this one for. I feel that this is also one of the fragrances which is kind of like appropriate for a date night, for a special occasion, for a birthday party or something on those lines. It also performs really well, and this is one of my favorite ones, and that's why it is sitting at number 3. On number 2, I have Gen Z Marshmallow from Hikayat Attar. Now you must be wondering what exactly is coming at number 1 because I've already kind of like exhausted all of the best options here, but this is still at number 2. I'll tell you what number 1 is all about. So Gen Z Marshmallow from Hikayat Attar is very gorgeous marshmallow fragrance. One has strawberry, apple, lemon, freesia, marshmallow, butter, cream and coconut, and sugar, vanilla, ambroxan, raspberry and musk. Now you can imagine the kind of sweetness that this fragrance has. Adorable. This is such a cute fragrance in my opinion, and the dress that I'm wearing, you know, this is just justifying this fragrance. It literally feels this way. It's a perfect college going scent in my opinion. It kind of has that juvenile milkshake feel or an ice cream feel to it, but it does have other elements that kind of make it mature as well. So again, it's a very innocent kind of a fragrance which kind of uplifts my mood. Like, I absolutely love wearing this fragrance because it's a very happy scent. It's a mood uplifter kind of a fragrance, and this is something that I really enjoy wearing. So this is Gen Z Marshmallow sitting at number 2. On number 1 is Marshmallow Blush from the house of Paris Corner. I bet you were not expecting to see this fragrance on my channel because I have not shown it till now in any video, any haul. In fact, I was contemplating to purchase this one or not, and one of you totally convinced me that this is the one that I should have in my collection, and this is the one which is one of the best ones on, you know, Kayali's Yum Bougie Marshmallow fragrance. So I was like, go and get this one, and I agree with you. This one is such a fruity, sweet, powdery, musky sort of a fragrance. It's stronger than Gen Z Marshmallow in performance, and it is stronger than Khadlaj's Cloud Candy as well. This one gives me around 6 hours of longevity, and the projection in sillage is moderate, but I get that sweet wisp of that strawberry milkshake throughout the day. So I kind of enjoy this one. It is very soft, feminine, girly, elegant, delicate sort of a fragrance that I love through and through. Kind of reminds me of this exact color, pink, and even the bottle is super cute in my opinion. It has this pink marble effect going on, which I seem to like. I also like the font that they have used here. So little details, but I kind of like love the vibe of this fragrance, and has a very nice strawberry milkshake ice cream vibe going on to it. So I quite enjoy and quite love this one, and this is a definite number 1 in my current collection for all of my marshmallow based fragrance. Now the video doesn't end here because I already had one mention, right, honorable mention, but I have recently purchased this one, and I have not kind of like done a complete test and try on this one, and that's why I did not include it in today's video. But this one is Buried in Marshmallows, and this one is from Muse Beauty. See, the packaging is also still intact. They had their sale, Muse Beauty, on the Muse Beauty website, and in that sale I actually purchased this one. So I have not kind of like played around with this fragrance to include it as one of the best fragrances in my collection, but then the name itself says Buried in Marshmallows. So this is literally berries bedded in marshmallows, right, with whipped cream, of course. This is very similar to Cloud Candy and very similar to the Marshmallow Blush that I showed you. So if you want, you can also kind of like look for this as an option, because this is also in that sweet strawberry milkshake realm. This is also one of the honorable mentions in today's video, but it did not make it to top 10 because, you know, I have still not used it. So that's it for today's video. I hope that this list was fun, and you know, if you are somebody who was looking for marshmallow perfumes, this is something that you may find some good options to try from. So thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.